Hello, this is Shirley. Today I would like to show you how can we use AutoCount Cloud Accounting to do e-invoicing submission. Okay, uh, let's have a live demo right now. Okay, look at my screen. Okay, so this is AutoCount Cloud Accounting. From the AutoCount Cloud Accounting itself right now, the screen that I show you, we have a dashboard which is to show the total sales, total invoices that you have, quotation, and then your profit and loss, bank, cash, and expenses as well. Okay, so you can click on the figure on your desktop, and then it will pull out the detailed information. Okay, from here, do the sales. How can we do e-invoicing submission? I will direct show to create a demo, which is how can we perform standard invoice. Then after that, how can we do credit note on it? If let's say too bad customer request to have a return or to change the product, okay, after you issue e-invoice, then of course I will show you standard e-invoice, consolidated e-invoice, and also how to do self-bill. Okay, so this is our AutoCount invoice screen. Okay, to create a new invoice, we'll click a new button, select the customer. Okay, this one I will select AutoCount. Okay, I select AutoCount because I already pre-maintained the tax information here. If let's say this customer you haven't maintained yet, you just press the plus button to key in the relevant information will do. Okay, the correct TIN number, the valid TIN number, and the valid BI number. Okay, then as per usual, you just select the item that you're going to issue invoice. Okay, how much? And then here at the bottom here, right, there is two buttons. One is save, another one is approve. Okay, if you are not sure this is the agreeable or confirm invoice, you need to cross-check with your customer. You press save first and then send to your customer, and then to cross-check. If let's say both of your side is already confirmed with this sales invoice, you can directly click approve. Once the moment I click approve, right, it actually instantly help me submit to my invoice portal. Let's have a look at my invoice portal. I click this one, document. I refresh. Okay, let's see. Let's check at this invoice. We click new. Okay, the status itself is submitted, haven't approved yet. You see, once it's approved, right, it will show you valid, and then come with the QR code. Okay, let me refresh again. Okay, this one's supposed to be the standard process flows. Once I submit, if let's say IRB return review all of the data already, it's supposed to return me a validated UUID. Okay, a validated QR code. Okay, this one's still with the submit status. It's okay. We come back here again later. Let's us do with other scenario, which is consolidated e-invoice. If let's say this customer do not want to provide you anything information or their IC, their my cards. Okay, talking about cash sales, walk-in customer. Okay, they want to purchase from you. Okay, you just, as per usual, you just create normal invoice, select the item, you click approve will do already. Once the moment I click approve, right, system will prompt you saying that, oh, they cannot help you to submit standard e-invoice due to we don't have the tax information. It is okay. Okay, you just save and then send print the receipt, print the invoice as per usual. Okay, how can we do consolidated e-invoice? By before 7 of next month, right, subsequent months, okay, you have to do submission of e-invoice. Here, looking at my left-hand side menu bar here, right, there is a Malaysia e-invoice. Okay, you can do consolidated e-invoice with this. Click consolidated e-invoice, click a new button, select the date range, click OK. AutoCount will help you to pull the transactions. Pull the transaction, you see, there's a one transaction here, right? You can have a look, what is this? Oh, from this invoice. They will help you to do a summary. Okay, once you click create, yes, it will help you to do submission of consolidated e-invoice. Okay, let me have a look. Right now, this is valid already. You see, instantly valid. So once it valid, right, it will return you a validation link, which is your so-called QR code. So the QR code, right, once you scan, it will bring you to this information. Okay, let's have a look at the My Invoice portal here. We do two submissions just now, right? One is standard e-invoice, another one is consolidated e-invoice. So let's have a look on this. When I click refresh, okay, you see my standard e-invoice, this one. right? I already have my standard e-invoice. Just now we did this. Okay, then second one is consolidated e-invoice. This is a consolidated e-invoice. They will use the consolidated classification code, which invoice number, and then how much. Okay, so I have a demo on the I had demo on the consolidated e-invoice and also standard e-invoice. Right now, let's us go to the self-bill. How can we do self-bill? For example, let's say you purchase from overseas, they can't provide you any standard e-invoice, right? Because they are not Malaysia registered company. Okay, they don't have any TIN number. Okay, you just select this overseas company. Okay, select the products you are purchased in. Okay, so RM5 ringgit, maybe I order 10 quantity, 10 units. Okay, right now the exchange rate is go until 4.5. Okay, so you just click save, will do already. The moment you click save, right, it haven't submit yet. Okay, because at the purchase invoice, right, some of the invoice might be Malaysia registered company invoice. That one you do not require to do any self-bill. You just do self-bill for those overseas invoices and also for those individual who do not register any company. Okay, how can we do self-bill? Okay, look at my menu bar on the left-hand side. Okay, there is a Malaysia e-invoicing self-bill documents, right? You click at this, copy from purchase invoice, you will do. Don't go and manually key in everything again. Just use the copy function. It will pull all of the relevant information here. We just click approve. It will help me to do submission and declaration. Very simple and easy, right? Just a few seconds. You see, self-bill, really done for our self-bill. Okay, that's all for my demo. If let's say you have any further inquiry or any things you want to ask relevant to this e-invoicing or AutoCount accountings, right? You can always contact us. Okay, thank you.